No!
I've lost it all the progress I have made. I need a system that won't crash every time I've played. Where to go? Where to find the next rate deal? I need a PC that'll last for years. To whom do I appeal? Intel Gamer Days, all these deals they amaze. I'm gonna get a new processor, one of those sweet 12900Ks. Intel Gamer Days, upgrading so many ways. Gotta get a Z690 motherboard and not miss out on this 12th gen craze. Intel Gamer Days, get a pre-built to trace some rays. Get an all-in-one like a NUC, or perhaps a gaming notebook.
Saban, you gotta dream bigger! Did you see this incredible custom build that the team at Newegg made for Gamer Days? 12900K processor, 64 gigabytes of RAM, DDR5, a 3080 GPU, and 1 terabyte of SSD. Click the link in the description to be entered to win, and we'll see you at PAX West, everybody!
Intel Gamer Days, it's the best of holidays. Check out all of the great sales and custom builds that are available always.
What? Oh, sales end September 5th. You better act now.